Baby, Mommy and Daddy go.
Oh,
What's...
tap shoes.
Do you love them?
Tap shoes.
They're for you.
Tap shoes.
Yeah. Do you want to put them on?
Hmm.
Daddy help you put them on?
No, Mommy.
You want Mommy too? Here, Daddy.
Daddy is ready.
Are you hot? Whoa! Ready? I got it.
Tap shoes.
Do you love them?
Shoes.
Tap shoes.
Oh. Tap shoes.
Do you love them? Okay, come sit up. Let's put your other tap shoe on.
Shoe. No, pull up.
Yeah, I'm going to put them up.
Shoes.
I'm so excited. Do you love them? Tap shoes.
How'd you find them there?
I called. and
What
I
made
said-
you think of calling there?
I called and asked Once Upon a Child, and they said Payless has them.
Pixie.
Do you want to tap? Are you going to do a little tap dance now?
Touch it.
Okay, come and tap for Daddy on the camera.
No,
Over here.
Right here,
Over
baby.
here.
not tap.
On the
Here,
floor.
on the floor.
Not tap.
Okay, ready?
Here.
Okay. Come over here. Move the table. Come and tap on the floor. Ready?
Not tap.
Yeah, come right over here. And tap right here.
Not tap. Here.
Okay. Tap! That's amazing! Whoa!
Tap shoes.
Are you so happy?
Tap. Tap shoes.
Careful! Careful, careful! Slow, slow, slow! Do you love them?